One of my favorite secret weapons in Canva is the Bulk Create tool. This allows you to start with a template like you're looking at right here, and then add a whole bunch of content at once, probably from a spreadsheet. So let's show you how to do this. The first thing you will want to do is take your document, design one page or slide or one page of what you're wanting to do. So if you've got this as a template, you want to make sure the fonts are what you want. You want to make sure the alignment is what you want. You want to make sure you've got enough space on the page that if you know, like I know this box is going to get really long, that you've got enough room on the page for it to fill in. Everything's aligned, font, just how you want. Once you have everything lined up the way you want, you'll also need to make sure you have the data that you want to populate each page. So in this particular case, I have a Canva sheet already set up, and I'm going to be pulling in from this Canva sheet, but you could also have a spreadsheet file saved onto your computer. You can also type this data and information in manually, and I'll show you how to do all that in just a second. So I'm back at my document that I'm going to turn into this Bulk Create project, and I'm going to find the Bulk Create app on the left-hand side. Now, I've used this before, so for me, it's just going to show up in the list. Let's see if I can find it right there. If you don't see it on your left-hand side, you will need to go to the apps and then search in the Canva apps for Bulk Create. And it looks just like this. It's a little Canva app, and you'll click on that. This is going to allow you to take the data from your spreadsheet or from a spreadsheet that you're going to create, and it's going to let you create a whole bunch of copies of this page, all of which have that data on them. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to upload from Sheets, but again, you could enter data manually, type your information in. You could hit upload data and upload a spreadsheet, or if you've got it saved in Canva Sheets, you can click on Sheets. I'm going to find the example that I want. That all looks great, and I'm going to hit done. This is the part I feel like is a little bit unintuitive, which is that we need to map all of our column headings to the different text fields we have on our document. So in this case, one of them sort of auto-aligned, which is page number, but we'll use this one as an example. What I need to do this mapping is I click on the text box that I want to fill with the element. I'm going to right-click on it, and I'm going to select Connect Data. And then from this little pop-up, I click on the data field I want it to align with. So I'm going to repeat that process for all of the text fields on this document. So we'll start here with title, connect data, title, content, connect data, and this one's going to be this story text, choice 1, connect data, choice 1. Same thing here, connect data, choice 2. You'll only see that connect data option pulled up if you are in this Bulk Create app. Once you have everything connected that you want, kind of verify it here, then you are going to hit continue. It's going to say, okay, here's all the pages I've got. Is this what you want? Looks good to me. I'm going to hit generate designs. And then what this is going to do is create a brand new document in your Canva projects. So once it's created, you want to make sure to click on this view and folder. And then the first project that you see on the list is going to be the project you created. It'll be labeled like Bulk 1. Go ahead and click on that to open it up. And now you can see all of my pages created the way I wanted with the information. Now, there are some where I'm going to have to delete a few things. All of that is fine. And I can go into this and edit, add images, edit text, do whatever I need to do, but it is ready to go, and it created all of that formatted the way I want just using the Bulk Create option.